Hello folks, Jethro coming to you live from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves and Rig Ready Used. We're going to turn a used car lot, the biggest in Western Canada, and you're going to find vehicles just like this sweet little 2018 Ford Transit Connect. It's small, it's cute, it packs a punch, it's got that 2.5 liter engine under the hood, really nice grill on it. It's made of plastic, so if you bump into someone, whoa, you're not going to be breaking nothing too terrible. It's got the old steel wheels with the hubcap. So a lot of people don't even know what hubcaps are anymore. This one's got them. So, whoo, that's got to be worth a lot more money. You got bucket seats in here. You got an inverter button that looks like somebody put in, which is cool. CD player, holy smoke, CD player, hubcaps. This thing is awesome. What else we got? 12-volt plug-in. You got a whole bunch of knobs there. You can change stuff on your computer in the system there. What else we got? Storage in the door, storage in the glove box. Now, this is where things get cool, folks. Check this out. So, you got, oh, it's locked. They're locked. They're not going to let me open them up. But you got all this storage, all these drawers in here. You got these ones here that lock up, as you can see. Adrian Steel. All these little drawers here that pop out. Put whatever you want in them. This one's got stuff in it. So, it comes with stuff already. Who doesn't like stuff? It's got the, open up the back here. As you can see, it's all closed off to the cab, so that's nice. So everything stays in the back, everything stays in the front, no moving around, stuff like that. You got these drawers here that do open up. There we go. Open up all the way, super awesome. Nice locking system, real easy to use. Got some dividers and stuff like that. There's the third drawer for the bottom as well. Nice anti-slip floor mat as well. Lots of tie downs, really very nice. You got a safety kit back there, I see, probably with a fire extinguisher. And then we'll move over to the driver's side. Lots of locks here to lock stuff up. What's really nice though, as you can see, it's got, oh, it's just a roadside kit. As you can see, it opens up from both sides. There's that inverter that I was talking about. That thing cannot be cheap. It's got a button in the front there to turn it on and off. And then we move over to the driver's side. We got power windows, power locks. What else we got? Oh, cruise control, which is very nice in this. You got the little center shift console. Under 120,000 kilometers on this one. Smells really good, so it hasn't been smoked in. Really nice vehicle. If this is something you're looking for or anything, come on down to Redwater Dodge or give me a call. I'm Jethro, 780-942-3629. Check us out online.